y'all. So I know I haven't posted in a minute or like forever, but like I had a reason, which is not important, but still, that's not the point right now. The point is I'm about to go on break, so I decided to use this break to spend time with my calls, cause oh Lord, I missed it. I missed it. Too much work. But anyways, so because of that, I decided to make a game. But the game is going to be a series. I am going to post it on YouTube. Not that I haven't been coded, I just haven't been uploading to YouTube, which is whatever, I guess. Not like I even have that much followers to really worry about it. But anyways, thing is, the game is going to be about trading because of the whole stock market issue going on. So I decided, why I don't make a game about trading, which is what I'm going to do right now. So whenever I finish the game, which I would try to finish it before the end of this week. Not this week, next week, because that's when my break starts. Anyways, I would try to finish it before then, and whenever it's finished, and y'all decide, oh, I want to check it out, I want to download it, blah blah blah, it's going to be on the local server, because I personally did not want to use any one of my computers to do it, because like to do that, I either have to use a domain name or I have to open up a port on my computer, and I do not trust people to use my ports like that. It's not that my port, it's just like I do not want any attacks on my computer because I love my computers, they love me too, so we gonna keep it that way. Moving on. Unless if I just create a server myself, which that's kind of too much effort to think about at the moment. So, moving on. When the game is finished, you will have to download the server. If you don't download the server, you can still play the game, but you have to be on somebody else's server. Meaning, they will, either it's your friend or anybody, they will have to let you into their server. If they do not let you into their server, that's XOL. I don't know what to tell you then. But the server will, anybody can have their own server, anybody can start their own server. Easy, simple. And the best thing about that is you are in charge of your own data, not me, you. Meaning you can kick anybody off your server, you can delete their message, you can not delete their messages, you can delete their stuff and everything they own off your server, which I find very, very good. Because sometimes people just irritate you and be like, oh, you want to irritate me? Delete. Simple as that. You can delete some people off your server if they're not playing anymore. So that's the pro I would say the main benefit of it. Plus, if it's on a local server, you can play with family. If y'all do have family to play with. But anyways, moving on. So yeah, I will try to make each video about the game. I will try to make it less than 10 minutes because I know people do not like watching video that long. So, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.